Welcome back to Bike Plus, your favorite channel for the latest updates on bikes, cars, and commercial vehicles. Today we are talking about the all-new 2026 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw, a vehicle designed to dominate city roads with better mileage, improved comfort, and modern styling. Powerful and fuel-efficient engine. The 2026 model is expected to come with an upgraded petrol and CNG engine option, delivering strong low-end torque for city driving. Suzuki has focused on improving fuel efficiency, making it perfect for daily commercial use. With better engine tuning and smoother transmission, drivers can expect reduced vibration and a more comfortable ride. This rickshaw is built to handle heavy loads while still maintaining impressive mileage, which is very important for business owners. Modern design and comfortable cabin. In terms of design, the new model features a refreshed front look with improved headlights and a stronger body frame. Suzuki has enhanced the build quality to ensure durability on rough roads. Inside the cabin, drivers get a more comfortable seat, better handle grip, and improved dashboard layout. Passenger space is also optimized to provide a smoother and more relaxed travel experience. Safety and practical features. The 2026 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw is expected to include improved braking performance and a stronger suspension system. The chassis is designed to provide stability even on uneven roads. With better shock absorbers and balanced weight distribution, this vehicle ensures safety for both driver and passengers. Expected price and launch. The expected price of the 2026 Suzuki Auto Rickshaw will remain affordable to attract small business owners and fleet operators. Suzuki aims to launch this model in key markets soon, focusing on reliability and low maintenance costs. Stay connected with Bike Plus for more updates on the latest vehicles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting reviews.